Dintlo finding out Afetsa realized that yeah man, Hloso doesn't love me. Hloso loves Madlomo with all his heart. He was even willing to raise a baby that's not his. Mama Hloso went to apologize to Madlomo for what Hloso did, but Madlomo uthi yena akanandaba nje ukuthi kwenzakalani kuHloso. Dutu is back home and his mother is worried that he will go back to alcohol. But also managed to delete the CCTV footage showing Mpumi. And Tidi found out that Divette is planning a surprise wedding, so she's no longer telling him about the truth about her illness. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Dintlo is sad. She's busy crying because Dr. Mike told her that Hloso once wrote to Umadlomo saying that he's willing to live with Dintle for Umadlomo and willing to raise a baby that's not his. Hloso Dintle ufindile out aqeda realize ukuthi yay, this thing that I have with Hloso, I think, man, this is not real. Hloso loves Madlomo. He never stopped loving Madlomo. And he will always love Madlomo. What we have is just a fling. Mama Hloso is trying to contain the situation, saying, no, this doesn't change what he feels for you. But did they realize Hloso is actually choosing Madlomo? She's even saying it was evident when I saw him with Madlomo in the car. He was willing to run off with a woman who is carrying another man's child and leave me. Why would it even say Hloso is willing to, is changing marriage, treating marriage like he's changing clothes? Kanjani when you were fine with him leaving his wife for you? This is karma, girl. Deal with it. Now Odintle is snapping at Kanye because Kanye wants to know what's wrong with Uncle Thorso. Why can't I make noise? Why can't I go see him? Dintle ends up snapping because my Hloso is not okay. He's sad, but no man, what's going on? And then he snaps saying no, she just needs to be left alone. And then Mama Gasa went, Mama Hloso went to see Umadlomo to apologize for what Hloso did, saying that I don't understand what happened and why Hloso did what he did. Umadlomo uthi, and I hope you and Dintle Nobaba Mncane get to solve this whole thing, because mina nginandaba nje ukuthi kwenzalani uHloso. You can just see uMama Mncade ukuthi she could not believe ukuthi Umadlomo is given up ugeza izandla ngoHloso akanandaba naye. And then Tutuko finally comes home. Uma wakhe is worried ukuthi Tutuko has gone back to alcohol. Athi bukuphi Tutuko, were you out partying, drinking? Tutuko admits ukuthi yeah, ngike ngalingeka, got tempted and ended up drinking alcohol. But I won't drink again. After everything that your father put me through, I don't know what I'll do if you go back to alcohol. But Tutuko apologized and promised her that he'll never go back. It was once off a thing. Science isn't ezubuhula. But he's got this whole record that's following him with this girl Mpumi that they dumped somewhere. But also managed to go into my records as a level up and busy in a computer. But how he lies saying he wants to learn about the booking system. The receptionist was like, no, I'll teach you, and then asked him to kutambambela while he goes to the bathroom, but still got a chance to delete the CCTV footage that's showing Mpumi and the whole crew that was going into the room. He thinks he has solved it, but obviously, inkinga says, Tinsolo phones Poet saying, when are you coming to settle the bill, Mo, for the room that you booked for your friends the other night? Poet is shocked, not payment. Booking, go level up. I never booked anything. And then he realizes, but yeah, but also said you did. And then he realizes, they are trying to throw him under the bus. And then he told Utinsala, I'll come and settle. And then he phones Pototo, what are you doing, man? Are you guys trying to get me some kind of trouble? If you do that, my police saying, I'll just go to the police and tell them the whole truth. But so is now panicking, no, man, relax, man. I'll explain to you everything that happened. Upoet does not want to hear it. Uti, guys, and do you see how this sound? Because now I booked an apartment. Man. But Poet, you were there, man. You were there. So about when you were there, you were there when they woke up with a girl Osapilling. So you're also part of this whole mess. But they were wrong for saying that you booked it. But I guess Tutuko just panicked. Now Tsidi wanted to come clean to Divette, but Divette wanted to be busy with something before Amfatsebe. The next thing Tsidi picks up the phone, finds out that Divette is planning a surprise wedding. And finds out the date. Now Teddy stops Mishina Bulela Niti. Tells Kiribon, hey, now I'm not telling him the truth until I get my ring. Hey, Kiribon is like, how, where, nah, man. Divette asked me to plan the wedding with him, but I haven't agreed yet. Teddy Ari, yes, utlotumela manyana. You're going to agree and you're going to tell him everything that I tell you so that I get my perfect wedding. Your Teddy doesn't give up. Hey, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.